Hi, I'm Sam from Indesit. This Indesit XWE washing machine is part of the Inex range and offers best performance with easy to use features and is available in silver or white. The Inex range comes with the push and wash program, so you just press this button for 2 seconds and the machine starts a 30-degree, 1200 spin, 50-minute cycle. It's so easy anyone can use it. This model has an impressive A++ energy rating with the added energy saving of water balance technology, using only the amount of water needed for the load size in the machine, saving both water and energy. There are many unique programs to suit every individual, including special, standard, eco and rapid cycles. If you lead an active lifestyle, this machine is perfect for you as it has several sports programs, so your sports kit not only comes out clean and fresh, but lasts longer. This Inex machine features a pause and fast forward option, as well as a convenient rapid wash function, all to make your life a lot easier. The LCD digital display also lets you know how long is left before the wash will finish, so you know what time it will end and can plan your day better. Additionally, this enables up to 24-hour delay timer, so you can prepare the load, set the program and the machine will start at your chosen time, making it cost saving and flexible. This fantastic machine is great value, delivering outstanding performance with intelligent features that will really make the difference.